Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a gaming test between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And guys, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra give you a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display. And also we have a Quad HD resolution on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max give you a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super Retina XDR display. And also we have this Infinity O display on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra as compared to a big Apple notch on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see. And also we have a 120Hz refresh rate display on the Note 20 Ultra as compared to a 60Hz. And guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how is the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max side by side in this video. And guys, we have a Exynos 990 chipset with 8 GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max give you Apple A14 Bionic chipset. And also we have a 6 GB of RAM on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you the iPhone 9 on both these two devices as well as PUBG Mobile. So guys, now let's quickly launch the iPhone 9 at the same time. And who is perform faster? And you can see that and the iPhone it is looks much faster as compared to the Note 20 Ultra, if I'm not wrong. And you can see and the iPhone it is much faster, and you can see in the game map run time. And the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra it is also right behind there. 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. Guys, and first let me go to the settings on both phones, and you can see. And now let's go to the game settings, and now let's go to the display on both phones, and you can see that and both phones has a 60 fps mode in the settings. And you can see while the Note 20 Ultra it is also had this visual quality which is not available on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you can see I set the visual quality on high quality, and also we don't get any option on the iPhone, and you can see. And guys, we also have this FPS meter on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra which is not available on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And guys, now let's go back and now let's play level on both these two devices. And guys, now let's play at the same time. Here we go, and let's see who is more faster. And you can see and the iPhone it is a little bit more faster in this area. And we also have this FPS meter, but and you can see that. And let's see who is perform. And you can see that. And overall I have to say that. And now I see lag on both phones. Let's see at the end who is perform better. And guys, we don't have any high quality option on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I enable that on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because I want to see how is the Exynos 990 is perform against the Apple A14 and iPhone 12 Pro Max it is faster there. And guys, now again let's play at the same time. And now let's see that. And you can see again iPhone it is a little bit more faster there. And you also see FPS meter on the Note 20 Ultra. And iPhone it is really smooth. And Note 20 Ultra it is also not 100% all the time 60 fps, but the iPhone it is 60 fps. I can see that. And let me increase the volume. And the graphics it is, I would say, much better on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but as far as the gameplay are concerned it is better on the iPhone 12 Pro Max because we have a Apple A14 Bionic chip. And guys, now let's go back, and you can see that. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the gaming performance between these two devices, and you can see and both phones is performed really smooth. The iPhone does not have any high quality mode which is available on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And also both phones also give you a 60 fps mode. And now let's see the PUBG Mobile on both phones. Now let's launch at the same time. Here we go. And you can see iPhone it is really faster as you can see. And Exynos 990. And guys, if you have a Snapdragon variant, and I would say that the Snapdragon it is much better as compared to Exynos variant, because the Snapdragon variant also give you HDR with extreme option, which is not available on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And you can see iPhone it is really faster, and Note 20 Ultra is take a lot of time. And now the Note 20 Ultra it is also done, as you can see. And guys, let me go to the settings on both phones. Let me go to the graphics option, and you can see, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra give you a smooth graphics with 90 fps frame rate maximum, and you can see, while the iPhone only give you extreme option, and you can see. And guys, I enable the 90 fps mode, and the frame rate is at 60 fps, and you can see, which means that we don't have 90 fps experience on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra extreme option on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which works same as the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, because both phones give you a 60 fps gameplay, although we have an option. Now let's go back, and again we play this game on smooth graphics with 90 fps. Now let's go back, and now let's play one arena. How is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is perform. And you can see the fps it is on the top, you can see that. And guys, now let's see that how is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is perform, and you can see, and the frame rate is at 60 fps, as you can see. And now let's play, and you can see that the game it is run 60 fps, no issue whatsoever on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But I have a Exynos variant in the Pakistan. Guess the game it is run really good. And also, and the speaker quality it is also really good on both phones.
Cover me. Enemies down.
And guess you can see that we have little bit fps drop, but not really big.
Enemies down. Reloading.
They also maintain fps really good.
Dead. Cover me.
Killing spree for the blue team!
Target down. Reloading.
Half of the match is over, and the blue team is in the lead.
Clear. Cover me. No mercy. Target down. Reloading. Red team victory.
And guess you can see that, and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is performed at the end little bit worse, and you can see, and now it goes back 60 fps, and you can see. And guys, we don't get any 90 fps gameplay on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Exynos variant. I don't know about the Snapdragon variant, and you can see. And guys, now let's play on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And guys, we don't have any fps meter, but you can see that how is the iPhone is perform. And you know that iPhone it is always perform much better as compared to any Android phone, because of their optimization and the processor as well. And again, I play this game on smooth with extreme fps.
Team match. Let's go.
You can see overall recording the bass it is much better on the iPhone.
Cover me. No mercy.
And you can see, and the speaker has a more bass on the iPhone, really very smooth, 60 fps.
Target down. Cover me. Reloading.
You can see, and the iPhone, it is also perform really good. In the long term gaming, iPhone, it is much better as compared to the Samsung, because we don't have any heating issue on the Apple A14 Bionic chipset.
Expired. Blue team victory.
And guess you can see that, and both phones is performed really good. Let me go to the setting, go to the graphics, and you can see we get a smooth with extreme on both phones. And guess you can see that with the balanced HD HDR, we have a extreme FPS on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Exynos variant has a balanced HD and HDR, which is only work maximum at ultra FPS, which means that 40 FPS as compared to a 60 FPS. Now let's play this game on HDR with extreme FPS on the iPhone as compared to HDR with ultra frame rate. And now let's play on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra first. And guys, you can see that I also enable the shadows and the anti-aliasing, it is off. And you can see that we get a 40 FPS maximum gameplay, which is not really good, I would say.
First
But
point for the red team.
Target down. Reloading.
you can see that in the 40 FPS, the experience of the game, it is really
Red team
not
is
as
in
good
the
as we
lead.
get in the extreme option.
Clear. Cover me. No mercy. Reloading. Nice shot. Cover me. Clear. Reloading.
And you can see that, and the Note 20 Ultra is performed really good in this mode. And you can see,
Expired.
and guys, again I can say that the speaker, it is much better on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which has a more bass, which makes your experience good.
Reloading.
You can see we get a maximum 40 FPS gameplay.
Red team victory.
And now let's see the, and guys, let me increase the volume on the iPhone. And now let's go to the settings, go to the graphics option, and you can see now I set settings on HDR with the extreme option, which means that we get a maximum 60 FPS gameplay in the HDR mode as well. Now let's play on the iPhone, and you can see that, and you can see we get a 60 FPS. I can feel that 60 FPS. And now
Team
let's
match.
grab
Let's go.
M416, 60 FPS, no lag whatsoever.
Clear.
I need a weapon.
Taking down.
Killing spree for the red team.
No lag whatsoever. And I also enable shadows on this phone.
No mercy. Be careful. You're losing the game.
The red team is about to win.
And you can see no lag whatsoever. And also I don't see any heating issue on both these two devices.
Red team
But
victory.
in long term gaming, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is performed really bad as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And because we have a Apple A14 Bionic chip. SoC as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Exynos variant. And guys, you can see that overall I have to say regarding the gaming performance between these two devices, and you can see and both phones is performed really good in the S19 Legend game. But you can see that in the PUBG mobile game, iPhone 12 Pro Max is performed much better as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We got it, and you can see that that's about it. And thank you so much for watching this gaming comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And you can see overall I have to say that the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is much better phone as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra Exynos variant, especially in the PUBG mobile game with HDR extreme frame rate as compared to the ultra frame rate on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and let me know what kind of more videos is that you guys want to see regarding the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.